Let's start with the subject-wise tips. So first of all, for physics, theoretical questions related to the modern physics are too easy and having very less calculation. Therefore, students of biology must emphasize on that. In heat and thermodynamic, majority of questions of PY graph, PV graph, or principle of thermodynamic, which are easy to solve. First, solve direct formula based question of any topic, and the last topic is, in case if any question is of lengthy calculation, then first try to solve through the approximation or as per the option. Let's talk about the chemistry now. For chemistry, we have distributed into three parts. First is physical chemistry. Well, the first point is try to practice numerical based question. Then see NCERT examples and examples question. Give more emphasis on 12th class topic. In organic chemistry, give more emphasis on chemical bonding, coordination compound, which is a very interesting topic and which is value based question will be asked from this chapter. Very conceptual question. Then refer NCERT exemplar question, previous year AIPMT papers. Then if you're talking about the organic chemistry, just refer the name reaction, stereochemistry, and biomolecules, polymers, chemistry in everyday life as per the NCERT. In chemistry sub-optional based question, graph based question, and match the column based question may also be asked. Now let's talk about the biology, very important. For biology student must prepare diagram, charts and table given in the NCERT books. Example problems, prepare flow chart of mechanism of physiology for quick revision. Cover CP full syllabus test paper which are precisely designed to cater the need of AIPMT by expert team. Let's talk about the biology in deep. Well, since biology is having the highest weightage, so I'll just suggest you to do ecology, which will be asked from 11 to 13 questions from this chapter. Then human physiology, which will be asked from 14 to 15 questions. Plant physiology, 9 to 10 questions. Application biology, 5 to 6 questions. This topic contribute 39 to 44 questions, which will be almost 50% of the paper. Guys, just think on it. A student must prepare diagram, charts and table given in NCERT books, read example problem, prepare flow chart, mechanism of physiology of for quick revision, cover full syllabus of AIPMT. Let's talk about the chemistry now. Well, in inorganic chemistry, just go through the chemical bonding because 3 to 4 questions will be asked from this chapter. For coordination compound, it will be 3 to 4 questions, and for 13, 15 and 16 group of P block elements, 4 to 5 questions will be definitely asked, and that will be direct from the NCERT books. Then for organic chemistry, go with the name reaction, aldehyde ketones, alcohol, carboxylic acid, which will be asked for 3 to 4 questions, and aldehyde and ketone will be asked for 2 to 3 questions. Chemistry topic continued, like physical chemistry, mole concept will be asked for 2 to 3 questions, atomic structure 2 to 3 questions, solution and colligative properties 2 questions, electrochemistry may be asked for 1 or 2 questions, then thermochemistry may be asked 1 to 2 questions. I'll also add here the chemical kinetic, which will be asked for 1 to 2 questions. Let's talk about the physical chemistry in deep. Try to practical numericals based question, see NCERT exemplar questions, give more emphasis on class 12 topic. In organic chemistry, give emphasis on chemical bonding, coordination compound, NCERT example question, solve previous year AIPMT. Okay, let's talk about the physics now. In physics, oscillation and waves is a very important chapter which will be asked for 3 questions. Magnetic effect, go through the revision of this chapter, very easy chapters. this will be asked for 2 to 3 question. Electronic device 2 to 3 question. Kinematic 2 to 3 question. Heat and thermodynamic 2 question. Electrostatic 2 question. And current electricity 2 question. Well, theoretical questions related to modern physics are too easy and has very less calculation. Therefore, student of biology must emphasize on that. In heat and thermodynamic, majority of questions are from PY graph or principle thermodynamic which are easy to solve. First, solve direct formula based question of any topic. In case of any of lengthy calculation, first try to solve them through approximation as per option. Remember guys, past paper plus sample paper will give you the smart work. Format of questions remains similar in NEET year on year. Since NEET was only recently reintroduced, you can practice from past year NEET as well as AIPMT question paper. Also use good sample paper. Well, week before exam, stick to your revision plan and do not get involved in a hectic and exhausting schedule, since it will cause fatigue and lower your efficiency. Resolve your queries with your mentors. Stay calm. Do not take too much stress. Be optimistic and confident. During the exam, efficient time management is a key to success in NEET. You must distribute time effectively among the section. Start off with the question which you find easy and are sure of being correct, and then advance to the difficult one. Do not answer question through blind guesswork, as it will award you negative marks for each incorrect answer. Do not get stuck on any question for too long, as it will waste precious time. Stay calm, do not panic while attempting the question. With the combination of speed, focus and practice, determination and technique, it is not difficult to get through the NEET undergraduate 2016. Hence, I hope 2017 will be also easy for you. One last, time management during exam. It is a general rule that before sitting for any exam, you should know the previous year cutoff of that particular exam. For AIPMT, the cutoff is around 50%. Biology, there is no hurry. The questions are very simple and there would be ample of time to do them. So don't make foolish mistake in a hurry. Read the question carefully. In physics and chemistry, attempt the paper in 2 rounds. Attempt that subject first in which you are strong. In chemistry, do inorganic or organic first. Solve only the simple question in physical chemistry. Those questions that are confusing or involve rigorous calculation can be left for the second round. In physics, if you are well versed with all the formula through with your concept, then physics is the subject where you can score almost 50 out of 50 questions easily. If tried properly, after fully using formula and concept correctly, modern and nuclear physics and all the other theoretical areas should be given priority over question of mechanics requiring calculation.